Yo, what's up? So this is a follow-up for the Flimsy tool bag, handlebar tool bag. So I had initially fixed this, like the front of the tool bag would flop up when I was riding. Like the buckles were still tightened, but the front of it would kind of buckle and flip up. So I put a piece of double-sided Velcro there, and that held for a while, but it got kind of cold here, and then the sticky side didn't work anymore, so I pulled it off. So I'll show you what I'm going to do and how I'm going to hopefully fix this permanently and not screw it up. So I went and bought this kit from Amazon. It's basically just snaps. So I'm going to put some snaps in here, and I just need to figure out how they are going to line up. So what I've kind of assessed already just by playing around with this is there's a stitch right here, and there's a stitching along here as well. So I'm going to just take this stitch and align it up with the actual the top stitch, sorry, because that's where my that's where my Velcro was. My Velcro was right here and right here. So the challenge is going to be lining everything up. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to put this here and we're going to line it up. I'm just going to press it down a little bit so we can see. All right. So what I do is we're just going for it. Like it. No turning back. No turning back now. So that's about right there. That's about right there. Done. Okay. So these are on the. These are going to be on the front. Okay. Black guys are going to be on the front. And then we'll turn this in here. And then A2. These are A2. A2. That's going to be what's snapping. Okay. We'll take this guy. Hit her with a hammer. A2. We take this guy. And we fuck, can you not see this? We hit it with a hammer. Okay. So there's our snaps. Okay. This comes through here. Right? And then this gets tapped down with this guy. Let's tap it down. Okay. So I'm going to try to get it roughly, like, you know, close to where that one is. I'm just eyeballing this. Sometimes you just got to go for it, man. Seriously. All right, well, let's do this. Let's put the tool bag in there and we'll see what it looks like. We'll see if we can close everything up. So just so you can see, I've got a couple of these. That's the other side. these two pieces, and then on the inside. So let's put the tools in here. I think it'll be fine. But let's see. Pretty good at eyeballing stuff, but we shall see. Right, there's everything. Let's close these up just for the hell of it. Close these up. Right? Then we would bring the snaps down. Let me see. Okay. Looks pretty good. Right? Doesn't look bad at all. So we'll get our straps all in there. Now, were you guys able to see all of this? I don't know, but that's not gonna fly up anytime soon. All right, man, good job, dude. So I'll put a link to the kit on Amazon. Sorry. All right, that's it. So pretty easy. You just gotta be willing to, you know, do it, I guess. There's the two snaps here. And hopefully you were able to see everything. If not, I'm sorry. I'll kind of talk through it. I'll narrate it if you can't really see anything, but hopefully it turned out good. I know this is going to work out just fine, and I'm pretty damn excited about it. So I'll catch up with you guys later. So there you go. Check it out. Looks pretty good. But that turned out really good. Hopefully, you know, it won't blow up when I'm riding. So there you have it.